How to share Amazon Prime account membership with friends. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about sharing your Amazon Prime account with your friends. So follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Amazon application, log into your account, and on the home page, go ahead and tap on the three lines in the bottom. From here, go to account settings. You need to simply scroll down and then tap on Manage Your Amazon Family. Go ahead and tap on New. Choose either adult or child. Select either link to separate accounts or create a new profile in your account. Go ahead and enter their name and then enter their email address. Tap on Continue in the bottom. Tap on Agree and Continue. Then you can send the invite link to the person you're sharing by clicking on Send Invitation option. They'll have 14 days to accept the invitation. You'll be notified once they accept. So that's how you share your Amazon Prime account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.